So Brett, just run us through how important it is to have a post-race massage for your recovery. And
Yeah, just like now I'm getting my massage already. Before this I've had an ice bath, used recovery pump legs, whatever you call them, puts pressure in a really tight compression. Use compression socks 2 times used, apply them, for travelling so you don't get bloated with your legs. I've been seeing an osteopath already and a physio, so quite a lot in it on these days where you've just got a short 33k time trial and still got another 9-10 days of racing to come, and it's really important just to look after yourselves. And
like I worked with Brad already 4 or 5 years now. I start to know his legs a bit so I can feel where it's tight or what's not supposed to be there. And if there's something that he's got a problem with, then most of the time he tells it. When it's been a real hard sprinters days where they had to do like the last 3-4k full gas, because there's not really much time to cool down after the race and recover, like go for a little spin, you can feel that there's still a lot of lactic in it is inside the legs. But then when you go in the mountains, because he's pretty big, he suffers a lot, so his legs are also pretty hard, so it's always time trial days are the best for him.